You made it. I was beginning to lose hope. Every night, the curse returns, hungry for souls. I tried to stop it before, and I failed. But you might be the one. These are power items. They carry ancient power, sealed by those who came before us. Use them. Strike the monster down before it devours us all. Now go. Let the game begin.